In this video, we're going to provide a quick overview of the Reseller Manager app. When you first load the app, one of the first things you will see is a list of your clients here. This provides a quick overview of all your connected clients and their activity. So we can see the name and company name of each client, their avatar, how long ago they were online, their current credit booster and monthly balance, and likewise for the other clients in our pool. If you've got a lot of clients and need to search for a specific client, you can use the search down here. We can see this search in real time. Up here, you will see the main control panel. If you need to add a new client, you can click on the add button here. You can use the share builder over here if you want to send a campaign, mailing list, or send a profile to one of your sub accounts. And we have the help menu over here. We can click on any of our clients to view a little more information about them. So let's click on the first one here, Philip. The client's contact card will now be shown on screen. From here, we get a quick summary of their account and all our associated interactions. So we can see here their name and contact details, with the contact details just below. If they've got their own package that they've brought independently of you, you can see that over here. And also we get a quick summary of their activity. So how many emails they've sent, how many emails they sent this month, how many campaigns they've created, and likewise. If you've gifted them a package or credit booster, you can see a summary of this over here. If you need to adjust their current credit booster or monthly package, you can click on the edit button top here. And we can see just below, we've got the activity feed. This provides a summary of all your interactions with them. So if you've given them campaigns or credit boosters or monthly packages, you can see a record of this over here. And finally, at the bottom of the page, we have the quick links. This is a quick way to view details from inside their account. So if you wish to view their campaigns, you can click on here, their mailing lists, or their sender profiles, you can click on any of these. And also, if you want to navigate through different client accounts, we've got the arrows here to navigate through your different reseller client accounts. And if you no longer want a client inside your account, you can break the link with the unlink button, top right.